Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are in the last exercise of chapter number 3 and we had completed till question number 3 in it. Now we'll begin with question number 4. It is given, determine the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So smallest bola hai, so what we have to find out students, it will be LCM. The smallest three-digit number exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is equal to LCM of 6, 8, 12. So we'll find out the LCM 6, 8 and 12. So 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 6s are 3 as it is, 2 2s are and 2 3s are again by 2, 3 as it is, 1 and 3, and finally 3 ones are is 3. So what we are getting, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that comes to 24. Now 24 is the LCM which we are getting और हमें क्या find out करना है, the smallest three digit exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So 24 के टेबल में 3 digit कब आता है, so 24 4s are is 4 4s are 16, 96, 24 5s are is 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So हमको क्या find out करना है, smallest three digit number. So smallest three digit number will be 120. So we'll write, therefore the smallest three digit number exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12 is equal to 24 into 5. I am writing it here again, 24 into 5 will do, the answer will come 120. So this will be the smallest number which can be smallest three digit number जो ये तीनों नंबर से डिवाइड होगा, उससे कोई छोटा नंबर नहीं होगा जो तीनों से डिवाइड होगा. Now question number 5, it is given, determine the greatest three digit number. Okay, so greatest three digit number means we have to find out what their HCF we have to find out, और वो एग्जैक्टली किससे डिवाइड होना चाहिए, 8, 10 and 12. The greatest number is equal to HCF of 8, 10 and 12. So now we'll find out HCF by again common division method only, 8, 10 and 12. All three are divisible by 2. So 2 4s are, 2 5s are and 2 6s are. Student, just one change we have to make here. Instead of HCF it will come as LCM only, क्योंकि हम smallest और greatest digit number जब find out करते हैं, whenever the word digits are being used, at that time we have to find out the LCM only. So again by 2, so 2 2s are 5 as it is, 2 3s are 2 1s are 5 and 3, by 3s are 1 5 and 1, by 5 1 1 and 1. So the LCM is coming to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24 and 24, 5s are is 120 is the LCM which we are getting. Now what we have to find out for the greatest number, greatest three digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12 is equal to 120 into, यहाँ पे कैसे हमने 24 into 5 किया था, like that we have to make we have to make here 120 into dash. We have to use the table of 12. So table of 12 means 12 5s is 60 means 600, 12 6s are 72, so 720, 12 7s is 84, so 840, 12 8s is 96, so 960, and 12 9s is 108, so it will become a 4-digit number. So the greatest 3-digit number will come to 960. सो ये चीज़ एक याद रखना है, जब ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर या स्मॉलेस्ट 3-digit नंबर फाइंड आउट करना हो, एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एलसीएम ओनली, और फिर उसको नंबर्स उसके टेबल से मल्टीप्लाई करके अगर 3-digit बोला है तो जब 3-digit आता है स्मॉलेस्ट, देन वी हैव टू स्टॉप. ग्रेटेस्ट पूछा है तो ग्रेटेस्ट तक जाना है, वेयर इट कम्स द ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit 4-digit आ जाता है, देन वी हैव टू स्टॉप. एज वी हैड सीन हियर, 9 से किया तो 1080 आया, 8 से किया तो 960 आया. तो दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट 3-digit नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 8, 10 and 12. Now question number 6 is being given. Now in question number 6, the traffic light at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7, at what time will they change simultaneously again? देखो, जब 7 बजे तब 3 अलग अलग क्रॉसिंग रोड पे ट्रैफिक लाइट्स है, उसमें से एक जो है वो 48 सेकेंड पे चेंज होती है, सेकेंड है वो 72 सेकेंड पे चेंज होती है, एंड थर्ड वन इज चेंजिंग एट 108 सेकेंड. तो ऐसा वापस क्या टाइम होगा कि वो तीनों एक साथ बदलेंगे वो ट्रैफिक लाइट. अभी सुबह के 7 बजे दिया है जब वो एक साथ चेंज हो रहे हैं, सो वापस वो कब चेंज होगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. So what we will write, the traffic light changing time is equal to 48 second, 72 second and 108 second. Now we have to find out वो कब वापस चेंज करेगा. therefore the LCM of 48, 72 and 108 we have to find out. So we'll apply here again common division method. LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So 2 24s are, 2 36s are, and 2 54s are, 2 12s are, 2 18s are, and 2 27s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, and 27. Again by 2 3s are, 9 and 27. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, and 3 9s are, 3 1 1 and 3. Again by 3 1 1 and 1. So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So 27 into 16, so 2 4 6 2s are 12 plus 4 is 16. 0 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2, and 7 plus 6 is 13. So 432 seconds we are getting the LCM. Now we have to convert it into minutes, so divided by 60. Now 432 divided by 60, So 6 sevens are is 42, means 420. So it will be, means after 7 minutes and 12 seconds the traffic light will change. 7 minutes and 12 सेकेंड. सो देयरफॉर क्या टाइम होगा ना वो हमें लिखना है. ये हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया कि 7 मिनट और 12 सेकेंड के बाद वो तीनों लाइट एक साथ अपनी तीनों ट्रैफिक लाइट एक साथ अपनी लाइट्स चेंज करेंगे. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द टाइम. देयरफॉर एट 7 तो सुबह के बजे थे तो 7 hour, then 7 minutes and 12 seconds will be the time when the traffic lights will change together. Okay, तो 7 minutes और 12 सेकेंड के बाद, here you can mention A. So 7 minutes 12 सेकेंड के बाद वो ट्रैफिक लाइट वापस एक साथ लाइट्स चेंज करेगी. सो तब टाइम क्या होगा? सो सुबह के 7:07 और 12 सेकेंड. दिस विल बी द टाइम एट व्हाट all the traffic lights will change, all three traffic lights will change the light together एक साथ. Now question number 7 you have to do it by yourself. I will not do. Question number 7 में क्या है? 3 tankers are being given. जिसमें डीजल है. These are the liters in it. Find the maximum capacity. अब maximum capacity means what you have to find out here. HCF you have to find out, and then you have to do it by yourself. कि maximum capacity of a tanker that can measure the diesel of the 3 container exit number of time. So you have to find out here HCF. Question number 8 I am doing. 9th you have to do it by yourself. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. As we have done question number 4 and 5 the same way. LCM nikalna, and then you have to multiply and find out the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by these 3 numbers. So 8th one I am doing. 7th and 9th you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 8. The least number divisible by 6, 15 and 18 is equal to LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So we'll find out the LCM. So 6, 15, 18. So 2 3s are 15 and 2 9s are 3s are. So 3 1s are 3 5s are and 3 3s are 3 1 5 and 1 and 5 1 1 and 1. So LCM we are getting what is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 and 3 3s are 9. So 10 9s are is 90. But this is the least number जो ये तीनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? द लीस्ट नंबर व्हेन इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय दिस 3 और रिमाइंडर क्या बचना चाहिए? 5 रिमाइंडर बचना चाहिए. सो उसके लिए हम इसमें क्या कर देंगे? वी विल ऐड 5 in 8. सो देयरफॉर द लीस्ट नंबर divisible by 6, 15 and 18 give remainder 5 is equal to 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. सो 95 इज दैट नंबर जो आप ये तीनों से डिवाइड करके देख लेना, जब डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 5 बचेगा। एंड 90 इज दैट नंबर जो ये तीनों से डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 6 15 जार, 15 6 जार एंड 18 5 जार इज 90। लेकिन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है द लीस्ट नंबर विच इज डिविजिबल बाय 6 5 एंड 18, लीव रिमाइंडर 5 रिमाइंडर बचना चाहिए, इसलिए 90 में वो 5 ऐड कर दिया है। Ninth one, as I told you, you have to do it by yourself. Question number 10 and 11, few sums I will do, remaining you have to do it by yourself. It's very easy. LCM find out करना है। Question number 10, find the LCM of the following numbers. First one is 9 and 4. So LCM by any method, so use common method only. 4 and 9, so 2 2s are 9, then 2 1s are 2 9, 3 3s are and 3 1s are, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that comes to 2s are 4 4 3s are 12 3s are 36. Second one, 12 and 5, so same method you apply, 5 and 12, so 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are and 5 1s are. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 2s are 4 4 3s are 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are is 60 will be the LCM. अब यहाँ पे कुछ दिया है, देखो, observe a common property in the obtained LCMs, is LCM the product of two numbers in each case. सब में देखो आ रहा है या नहीं, देखो 9 and 4, तो LCM is 36 and 9 4s are is 36, 12 and 5, तो 12 and 5 LCM is 60 and 12 5s are is 60, तो सब में आपको इसी तरह से आएगा. सो एट लास्ट यू टू राइट डाउन yes LCM of the product of two numbers in each case, so you can write that yes LCM of two numbers is equal to the product of the two numbers, that you have to write down the statement at the last. बस इतना ही करना है उसमें, बाकी के दो sums you have to do it by yourself. Question number 11, in that you have to find out LCM again. First is 5 and 20, just one I am doing, rest you can do it by yourself. So 5 and 20, so 2s are 10, 5s are and 5 1s are, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20. Second one also I am doing 6 and 18, so 6 and 18, 2 3s are, 2 9s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are and 3 1s are, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, that comes to 18. तो यहाँ पे भी वही उसी तरह दिया है, what do you observe in the result obtained. So what you will write, देखो 5 और 20 में से LCM 20 है, मतलब जो बड़ा नंबर था that is the answer. 6 and 18, the LCM is coming 18. So like that you will get in the remaining two sums also. So you have to write down that the LCM of the two given numbers is the greatest number from them. Okay, that much you have to write down. So hereby the chapter number 3 is over of your class 6. In the next video we'll start with new chapter. So till then, thank you and